Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I got that question again. If you can't find a 2x4 for a top board, what are your alternatives? So I'll show you two natural ways that you can fire roll with a natural top board. One is this rock right here, which it has some flat areas on it. I guess I'll try to concentrate on this part right here. So we'll fire roll with the flat rock. And then any round stick will work. Find the flattest part of the round stick and fire roll with that. Let's give it a try. Now, as far as me working off a work table, I don't really get down, work off the ground very well. So you can envision this work table as a fallen log, as an outcropping of rocks, as maybe you had split a stick in half and you put one half of it down in the ground to anchor it for a bottom board. There's lots of ways to fire roll with a natural bottom board. Alright, try to find a flat place where your stick is the flattest. It's kind of flat right here, from here to here. Don't let the wind blow your fire roll away. Down on the ground she goes. And it is smoking. So a round top board is just a very easy way to do it. And now we get the other half of that cotton ball, and let's try our rock right there. Smoked coffee. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now. Put about a, I don't know, quarter teaspoon, half a teaspoon of ashes. It's not really critical. Now this looks like that's going to be my flattest spot, this edge of the stone right here. Let's try it. Oh, there goes my coffee. Hold on.
It's hard to make a perfect video with no mistakes. For me, anyways. Let's try that again.
And you want to keep rolling until you see smoke. And I see smoke. There's smoother ways to do this. And that's going to be a good hot ember right there. Let's go ahead and try that one again, see if we can do a smoother ignition.
Let's try that one again.
I guess this is working its way to the edge. I guess that'd be the next thing that falls if I'm not careful on it. Alright. I mean, maybe there's some better, flatter sides right here. Looks like I'm going to have to concentrate right here. Let's try it again, see if we can do it a little bit smoother. And it's smoking. If it were not smoking, you'd want to go back and roll it some more. That ember is working its way from the very center to the outside where the oxygen is at. And there's no need for you to wait this long to put it in the tinder bundle. I just like to show it smoking and show the ember. And I always like to cover my ember up. All right, y'all. That's 2 natural fireboards. Fire roll is very easy once you get the hang of it, the cotton and the ashes. If you're trying to learn it, don't try any of the other fillers or fibers. Go ahead and master the cotton and ashes fire roll first before you try to advance on anything else. All right, y'all. Appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.